What's up, guys? LD Moto back with you. We got a new little toy to start messing with. Yeah, it was a mini bike. It looks like somebody turned it into a trike. It's kind of cool, but I think I'm gonna turn it back into a mini bike because I have the stuff to do it, and it shouldn't cost me really anything because I traded the mini bike for some motors that I had that was basically given to me. So today's video is gonna be about sketchy trike. I'm gonna call it sketch. So that's gonna be the theme of this build. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get that back tire on there. Huh? Yeah, that's part of the reason why I want to use this, because then I can put a hydraulic brake system on that, make it safer, make it a mini bike again, and probably header wrap that gnarly exhaust header there. Alrighty guys, stick around. We're gonna have some fun with this thing and see what we can get done. So I'm gonna start by cleaning out the garage so we can get to it. Oh yes, the SYXR. My brackets that I made were good, but there weren't enough. See how there's like nothing back here, and that's the problem. Not gonna be impossible, but I'm not doing it in this episode, but I gotta make a bracket that comes up over here, and there's two screws that come off the seat that will all mount to that, because when you sit on it right now, it sags down and it looks like dog dookie. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff out here and we'll get up to that sketchy up there. Yeah, let me get this out here. Where's you grab the triangle?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, the little quad here. You're the cameraman. This little guy, it's running pretty good. Battery keeps charging. So.
Now sketchy's right here.
But after it's been sitting for a little while, it doesn't want to start very easily. All right, let me see this thing.
It was 5-wheeler.
5-wheeler. Yeah, he put the other wheels on there. Yeah, I've actually seen videos of the guy riding this when he'd first done it, but then he said he had it sitting for a little while. But yeah, these old brackets here might help me center up the tire. So yeah, chop this stuff off. I want to make it a mini bike again. I think it would be much cooler, safer, probably. With brakes. But look at this header, guys. This thing is gnarly. So I think if we do keep that, we're gonna definitely header wrap it, because I wonder what it sounds like. If it's the same one that was on in the videos, it actually sounded pretty cool. So all right, I'm gonna get a couple things figured out, and we'll catch up with you guys in just a little bit. All right, guys, we got the trike sketchy out here, getting it cleaned up. I don't even know if this motor's any good. He said it ran, but I don't know. Not a big deal, because I do have another motor I can put on there, but I'll probably end up reusing this if I can. It's kind of cool. We'll see. I mean, this shouldn't be difficult. This tire lines up pretty good with it. Just chop, clean it up, get the brakes mounted, weld it, paint it. Should be good. Alright guys, we'll do a little update here in just a little bit. Get this thing cleaned off. See if the motor's any good. See if it's got any spark or fire, or, see if she'll start up maybe. The carburetor looks pretty rough. I'm probably going to have to hit the centrifugal clutch with some WD-40 or something, but we'll see. Oh yeah, I can't forget this. Shop upgrade. Wife got me another light. She's getting me one each past 2 years, so right on. The boys are helping me clean up the garage. We're getting there, and then we're gonna start working on the sketchy trike over there. You sanding my floor? Good job. Alright guys, we're gonna continue on with this and just trying to clean this place up while we still have some decent weather. Alright, not its permanent location, but I'm already liking it. But dang, it's nasty in here. Need to continue cleaning this up because now I can see everything. I like this light though. Where is it? There it is. It's pretty cool. It's got little diamond plating in it. Sweet LEDs. Right on. Cool. And it has a little outlet on the end of it, but just gotta figure out the cord situation. But enough boring garage stuff. Let's get on to the other stuff. Oh yeah, I don't know if I mentioned, but I got this for free too. And it runs. We know it runs because we even winterized it. We drained all the fuel out of it and prepped it up. But yeah, even if the sketchy trike motor doesn't work, it's basically the same thing. The clutch should fit on there. The header should fit on there if we wanted to use that, or just keep it with that one for now. But we'll see.
Not fit in there.
It would fit in there.
Yeah.
I'm sure it would.
And this big.
Yeah, I don't know about that thing.
Yeah.
It's cool, but street sweeper style. All right, we're going to continue on here. We're just getting everything straightened out, but I think it's promising. GX200. We'll see. I hope you guys are ready. I got lots of projects lining up, stuff that I already got, things I just need to get finished and need to make some room in this garage. But instead of just letting them sit around, I'm gonna organize them. I'm gonna try and have where each project has its own section. Man, I feel like there's so much room for activities, but yet it fills up very quickly. So hope you guys are ready, because I'm gonna be flooding my channel with some content hopefully here soon. So it's time to put in some work. I hope you guys enjoy everything that I can put out, and any suggestions on like things we should test out once we finish them up. Top speed test, durability, cool factor, anything. Little update on this thing too. This works so far. So I just still need to make the bracket for the back of the plastics. And this thing should be generally ready to go for the most part. At least rideable. But
Hey,
yeah.
Dad.
What's up, bud?
I put that motor on way X.
Yeah, we'll put that motor on there.
Hey.
We got to finish the project first
Hey, Dad.
before we move on to anything else, guys. This,
I'm done with this. I do that.
this thing's never going to be done, but it'll be done. It'll be done to a certain point, but you know.
It's never gonna be done.
Alrighty, here's the plan for this bad boy. Still with everything that I got, I'm going to use this swing arm, which actually goes to this, and put a shock on it, and yeah, make it have rear suspension. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Definitely going to have to switch the motor out. Probably have to redesign the header here a little bit. Just chop this stuff off and go from there. It's really, looks like I got pretty much everything I need to. I'll even be able to put brakes on it, make it pretty cool, hopefully. I mean, I don't really want to mess with that motor too much. It might run again if I clean the carburetor up or whatever, but I'm not even going to bother.
I actually used the vacuum and sucked all the water out, and there was a lot of water.
There was water in it, yeah, so we're not going to use that one for now. But, you know, maybe on down the road we might, but we're going to use this because we know it works, and this was a freebie too. And generally this whole thing was free, so we're just going to have some fun with it. I'm sure some of you guys are like, why are you going to not let it be a three-wheeler anymore? Because it's super sketch, and I think it'll be more feasible as a mini bike again.
And it's really light.
Yeah. I just don't want to do the three-wheeler thing on this. I mean, maybe on something else, but not this one. But alrighty, guys. Me, L and D are going to get into this thing, and we'll catch up with you guys a little bit and see what we can get done on her. We could, in theory, we should be able to do this whole thing if we really wanted to, because like I was saying, we got everything. It's just we got to put the time in it. Alrighty, guys, we got something kind of mocked up. It's all just zip tied into place. You know, we want to check it out. Obviously, it's upside down, which shouldn't be a problem either way if we wanted to use it that way or not. So we can kind of use this to mock up the chain, get some mounts made. Once we get this all mounted, I can actually probably just cut off, certain sections, and we probably won't even need them anymore. But or we can just weld it right to it and give it a rigid. But I mean, it was already rigid, so I think this will be pretty cool. Then we can get the fender on here, and this thing actually be pretty sweet because it'll have good brakes, decent back tire, and it'll probably go pretty quick. So we're gonna get on some more of this, and yeah, what do you think so far, Liam?
It looks pretty good.
Yeah, you'll be able to ride it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It might pop a little bit.
It might. We'll see. Alrighty, guys, we'll catch up in a little bit. We're gonna get a little bit more done on this thing. We're still just running a lot of ideas and see the best practical plan for it. Alrighty, a little update. We got the sides chopped off. It's looking pretty smooth. We had the rear swing arm mocked up on there. Looked pretty cool. So I think we're just gonna go for it. There's some definitely spots that we really need to weld up on the bottom of this thing where the kickstand used to be and the old rear axle mounts. And I think I'm going to redesign the front pegs too. Make this thing look pretty cool,
Dad, look.
What's up, dude? Oh, that's pretty cool.
Look at the front of it.
Grateful Dead and Pink Floyd stickers. Right on, dude. Now you just got to learn some Pink Floyd and Grateful Dead songs. Alright, guys, we're going to get back on this, and we're just going to keep going. I think there's only one thing we might have to buy, and that's probably a clutch, and they're not a whole lot of money because that one is seized up on there pretty good. I tried heat and everything, and now it won't even rotate, so it's probably ruined.
I also saw my dad. I also saw a big flame.
Yeah, oh, a big flame. When I was what?
When you had the torch.
Oh yeah, but yeah, so we're just gonna leave that motor on there, kind of just for mock-up for right now, and we're gonna keep on them with this thing. Hopefully, we'll get it done soon. But
like
probably won't be able to get the clutch today.
It looks like a chopper like this.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alrighty. Alrighty, guys, big update. Trevor came over and pulled through like always. Check this out. Go ahead. She got a swing arm. So basically what we're gonna do, he's got that all tacked up. I'm gonna cut, let me back up here, this back section off, and this mount that's down in here, this little piece right here, that's gonna be the new shock mount. So it's gonna have suspension, and it's gonna be better than a regular mini bike, and it should be fast, and it'll have good brakes on it, like I was saying earlier. All right, guys, we're gonna continue on with this, and probably wrap the video up a little bit once we get maybe an idea on the shock mount. But thank you guys for watching, and Trevor, as always, we'll see you guys in a bit. All righty, guys, as always, like I said, Trevor came over and freaking just killed this thing. I had a vision, but I just had to have somebody else's opinion, and all right, so we're gonna get it off the jack stand here in just a minute and give it a real test. Actually, I can probably do it now, right? Huh? Yeah. All right. I'm gonna try and do it while I'm holding this. Ugh. Oh snap! Oh, it's got some serious suspension. Dang. Well, you know what? Oh, dude, I like it. It's tight, but hey, you know what? It's got suspension. Alrighty, guys. Yes, we took the sketchy trike, made it back into a mini bike with shocks, and I want to thank you, Trevor, again. And you guys want to see more of this? Come back, subscribe. We'll see you next time.